Hello class, for today's small group is bears on boats. I'm going to show you my screen really quick so we could, so right here we are in greeting time. We are going ahead and move it to small group because we are going to do small group at the moment. So I have a block. This could be my boat. I know some of you may not have blocks, so you could use a pillow, you could use a fabric sheet, you could use a iron board, you could use a cutting board, you could use a book, you could use anything that could be a boat for you. I have bears right here. You could use anything that you like. You could use bears, dolls, stuffed animals. It could be even magnet tiles. It could be anything that you like, okay? So, it's a little story that goes like this. I have my boat, and my bears are a little family, and they get on the boat. And here is the boat with the family, and they are going on a boat ride. But the boat stops, and the family gets off. Now, how many bears should ride the boat this time? Maybe 2. Let's put 2 bears. So my bears go on a boat ride again. And it stops. They stop at a grocery store on the water. So my 1 bear gets off. How many bears do I have left? 1 bear. So my bear goes back out on the boat. And it stops. The family gets back on. Now, how many bears do I have on the boat? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 bears now on the boat. So your job is to use whatever you want to do boats on the bears. They could go on a store ride on the boat. They could go to the library. They could go home. They could go any place they want to go. Just make anything that you want to put on the boats. Okay? Like I said, you could use anything you like. Alrighty, boys and girls, I'll see you next time. Bye.